Very good, guys. I hope that you finish your questions and you put a photo. You put a photo on the Facebook page. Okay. So right now, this is the video number 2, but it's gonna be super easy and super fast. Okay, don't worry. Just a few more minutes. So today we're gonna learn how to describe the food. Food adjectives. We know that adjectives are tall, fat, thin, crazy, beautiful, handsome. Those are the adjectives. But which adjectives can we use to describe the food? Okay? For example, bananas. One adjective to describe bananas. Yellow. No, yes, but how about the flavor? Okay? We have different flavors. So today we're going to learn about that, so pay attention. Excellent, guys. So right now we're gonna learn a few adjectives to describe the food. The number 1, we have sweet. Okay, what is sweet? For example, the candies, the chocolate, the cakes, the I don't know, the pies. I don't know. Those things like M&Ms, Hershey's, those are super sweet and they are super delicious also. So sweet is like that. Now the number 2, salty. Salty comes from salt, okay? It's when you say, oh, it's too salty, muy salado. So, oh no, too salty. Salty is to describe food that it contains a lot of salt, okay? Spicy. Spicy is like when you are eating, I don't know, Tostitos, the purple Tostitos or the chips fuego. It's like, and you put more salsa amor and it's like super spicy, right? So that is spicy when you are like, I need water. Okay, so hot is when the food is ready and it's hot, okay, on the plate. And cold is when the food is ready and you leave it on the table and you don't eat it, so it gets cold. Okay, so let's check to the other adjective right here. Sour. Okay, this is when the food is like acid, like lemon, all that. Okay, it's like acid, like, oh my god. And raw, this one is when the food doesn't work. Okay, when the food is not okay, when the food cuando la comida está cruda and it's like, oh, it's raw, no, I don't like it. Okay, and unusual is when the food is not typical, it's not very common. Oh, that is some unusual food. For example, if my mother comes to me and say, oh, Sam, we're gonna eat a snake today. What? We're gonna eat what? So that food is super unusual. Like, we don't eat that a lot and you're telling me that we're gonna eat it. So that is like that. Another adjectives are traditional. Traditional is like the traditional food of Mexico, enchiladas, sopes, etc. Popular, well, the most popular food right here, I don't know, mole or menudo. For you, maybe sushi, boneless. That's the most popular. Another, we can have delicious. Delicious is delicious. And we have another adjective that is called tasty. Tasty is like when it's super good, super delicious, and it's like, como que se te va a antojar porque se ve muy tasty. Okay? So these are the adjectives, okay? So right now, I'm gonna show you an example of one video. In the video, it says, which one is sweet? And you have 2 options, okay? And you are gonna put the options in the notebook, okay? I'm gonna show you an example. In the video, it says which one is, I don't know, sweet. And you have 2 options, okay? One option and the other option. So for example, the correct option, you are gonna put it in your notebook. For example, imagine that this is chocolate and imagine that this is lemon. So which one is sweet? Chocolate. So how are you gonna put in your notebook? You're gonna put like this. You are gonna write in your notebook, the chocolate is sweet. Number 1, number 2, number 3, etc. You're gonna see the 2 options. You're going to identify which one is the correct, and you're gonna put it in your notebook like that, like a sentence. Okay? So right now we're gonna watch the video, and you can pause the video, write the answer, and then continue, or whatever you want. Okay? So let's go. Very good, guys. So right now we're gonna see 1 question, 2 options, and you're gonna write the correct option in your notebook. Okay?
And let's play Which One Is It? And we're focusing on taste today. Which one is sour? Is it the delicious red apple? Ooh, very tasty. Or is it the green apple?
Green apple or red apple? What is it? Let's go with the number 2. This is number 2, okay?
Which one of these is sweet? Let's see. Is it the chocolate or the garlic?
Which one is sweet? The chocolate or the garlic? Let's go with the number 3. Which one is salty?
Is the apple pie salty, or is it going to be the French fries?
What is it? What is it? Very good. Let's go with the number 4. Remember that you have to put the French fries are salty. Remember, okay? So let's go with the next one.
Which one is spicy? Hot, hot, hot. Is it the chili peppers, or is it the cucumber?
Put your answer in your notebook. Let's continue with the next one. Which one is cold?
Is it going to be the ice cream, or is it going to be the pizza?
That is super easy. You have to put the answer in your notebook. The ice cream is cold, or the pizza is cold. Which one is the correct one?
Which one is hot? Is it going to be soup, or is it going to be cake?
Which one is hot? Answer. Very good, guys. I hope that you completed all the sentences in your notebook. So right now, for the final and the last activity, we're gonna complete like super easy and quick activity on the page 91 in the same book of your structure book. In this one. Okay? The page 91. Food from all around the world. So in the instruction says, look for a description of the following dishes online, of the following foods online on Google. Check the words that describe each dish. For example, we have the names, we have only 5 dishes, super easy. And in here we have unusual, tasty, popular, raw, spicy, sweet, sour, traditional, and delicious. So you're gonna put on the Google. Number 1, buburi, and click. You are gonna have a description of the food. And for example, if in here says traditional, popular, and tasty, you are gonna put in your book traditional, popular, tasty. Okay? So you're gonna put a check mark. You're gonna put a check mark in here. For example, traditional, popular, tasty. Number 1, ready. Number 1, ready. Now, number 2, find on the Google. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay? And if you can't find any adjective, just put what you think. Okay? So that is the last activity for today. Remember to take a picture of everything. Remember to take a picture of the page 93, 91, and the notebook of the sound and this activity. And last but not least, remember that on Tuesday we are gonna play an activity on the Google Meet and you're gonna send me the homework. What is the homework? The evaluation test, the conversation test, the hamburger, the paragraph. So please make it good. Don't put I am adventurous because I like it. Period. No! You have to explain more reasons and more and more and more. Remember 2 lines, three, and 2, okay? Don't put it like, because yes. No. Remember you have to develop the paragraph to make it a really, really good. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming to the class. I hope that you could understand everything. And we will see each other again the next week on Tuesday. So have a good day, have a good weekend, take care, don't go out and stay in your houses. Bye-bye.